Okay, so I just got this in the mail, which is strange because today is Sunday. And if you live in England, you know that we don't normally get mail on Sunday. Anyway, this is the 40th anniversary edition LP set of the Jacksons Live. Now, unfortunately, I don't have an original pressing to compare this to, but the tracks are Can You Feel It, Things I Do For You, Off the Wall, Ben, This Place Hotel, which is also known as Heartbreak Hotel, She's Out of My Life, ABC, I Want You Back, I'll Be There, Rock With You, Lovely One, Working Day and Night, Don't Stop Till You Get Enough, Shake Your Body Down to the Ground, and then it says C label for sequences, which I think means timestamps, as in how long the songs are. So this is a gatefold LP, meaning there's usually some information inside. I ordered this from Juno Records yesterday, and it turned up today. So if you open up the inside, you'll see there's a photo of them on stage. On here, you'll see it says the credits. So Jonathan Moffat on drums, David Williams on guitar, Michael McKinney on bass, Bill Wolfer on keyboards, Wesley Phillips on the East Coast horns, Cloris Grimes, Alan Prater, Roderick McNorris, I think that must mean they are also on the horns, and mastered at the Mastering Lab, Hollywood, California by Mike Reese. So the discs themselves, if we have a look, the first disc is in this cover of the guys on stage. I think this album originally came out in 1981, if I'm not mistaken. I think this 40th anniversary release was done in 2021. But let me ask Google. Hey Google, what year did the Jacksons Live album come out?
The release dates of I'll Be There included the 8th of September 1970.
Okay, this is quite vague.
Of December
So it gives us various dates, so that doesn't really help. So the discs are black vinyl, and it's basically like the Thriller 40 when that came out. It's basically the same label as that. So This Place Hotel, She's Out of My Life, Movie and Rap, including excerpts of I Want You Back, Never Can Say Goodbye, Got to Be There, and a medley of I Want You Back, ABC, and The Love You Save. And the other side is Can You Feel It, The Things I Do For You, Off the Wall, and Ben. So that's the first disc done. And the second disc, again, has photos of the guys on stage. And that's the audience. I don't remember what venue this was played at, but I think the album was recorded that same night while they were on stage. So again, the first label, Working Day and Night, Don't Stop Till You Get Enough, Shake Your Body Down to the Ground, I'll Be There, Rock With You, and Lovely One. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the unboxing of the, well, unpackaging rather, of the Jacksons Live LP 40th anniversary edition, as you can see there. And yeah, thank you for watching.